The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Marathon County, Northeastern Portage County, South Central Langlade County, West Central Menominee County, Western Shawano County, Northwestern Waupaca County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 8 miles north of Bevan to 9 miles northeast of Stevens Point, or along a line from 17 miles east of Wausau to 9 miles northeast of Stevens Point, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bevan around 5:30 p.m. Wittenberg around 5:35 p.m. Neopit around 5:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Hold, Norrie, Shantytown, Elon, Elderon, North Star, Hatley, Pike Lake, Dewey Marsh Wildlife Area, and Ringgold. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for portions of central, north central, and northeast Wisconsin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Langlade, Marathon, Menominee, Portage, Shawano, and Waupaca.